Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing and delicious type of cake known as the Birdsmilk. It's very tasty, the cream is amazing as well, and I insist you girls simply have to try it out. First we have a liter of hot milk, 150 grams, 3 tablespoons of sugar on top of semolina, and boil it for 8 minutes and stir it constantly. Then you cover the contact until it cools completely. For cakes we need 5 eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 spoons of cocoa, and we mix all of these products together. Cocoa, flour, and cookie powder. Beat the eggs all together, and you can also add vanilla sugar if you want to. You whisk them for about 10 minutes. Looking very good. Then we add all of these powdered products together. And mix it all with a spoon very carefully. There we go. Now add it on a 24 by 24 cookie sheet and we bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. There we go, turned into a very beautiful looking cake. Nice rich brown color. And the paper fell off very nicely. Just like that. Now I'm gonna cut the cake into two layers and make the top cake thinner. Then we beat 300 grams of soft butter for about 10 minutes, and I insist 10 minutes, and it should become even more softer. Then add 1 spoon at a time all this nice cream with the semolina. Like that. Now we make a chocolate liquor for the top. For the liquor we need 100 to 120 grams of butter and 100 grams of sugar, 2 spoons of cocoa, and 2 spoons of sour cream. Yeah, it came out in such a thick layer, perfectly. Then it didn't harden, it didn't blur, and froze very well. Then we just smear it on top with a spoon, and let me tell you, oh, it looks delicious. Now we will cut it and see how it turned out. Now to cut this cake well, you need to soak a sharp knife in hot water, or you can just heat it. Just like that. Oh yeah, turned out very nicely. And we just put it on the plate. Yeah, the cream there looks amazing. And it's just as delicious as well. Now this bird's milk is actually a piatsok, as we call it in Ukrainian, but if you just want to speak English all the time, you can just call it the cake. But yeah, that's we've had things like bird's milk for a while now in Ukraine. And it came from a very old time of ours, and it was a very delicious dessert. And if you ask me, it should be in every house. I mean, I know you've tried many places that had cakes, but there's just 9 off of the bird's milk. So if you want to make one, I insist, try it, and I assure you it will be worth it.